All right, we're at Pricketts Fort State Park. We're going to take a little look around today.
Ride some road trails.
We might ride some of the Mon River Trail. All right, here's a little view of Pricketts Fort from up top. All right, we're headed out on the Mon River Trail. We're gonna ride this a ways and see what it looks like. Never been on it. All right, we're still making our way down the Mon River Trail. All right, we're about a mile in, a little more than that. We didn't start recording our mileage till we started down through here, but so far so good. If we get a good overview, we'll stop and let you guys see it. Still working down the Mon River Trail. We're probably only going to take us 3 or 4 miles in. Yeah. Then we're going to go back around Pricketts Fort and maybe fish a little. Little restaurant there, we can get us a sub. Mon River's to our left. All right, we're headed back towards Pricketts Fort. We probably got about 4 miles in, I'd say there. So that'll give us 8 miles round trip. There's a couple other spots we want to check out. Alright, we did about 5 miles on the Mon Trail. We're coming back and we're going to visit the little store down here and maybe have a sub. Well, we're right here at the little boat launch at Pricketts Fort. We'll throw a couple casts. I don't know how much faith I have in it. You go ahead across, buddy. Clear across and we're going to go down into that park. Whoa, that could have been bad. All right, go pull down in here. All right, we're at the little park picnic area at Pricketts Fort. Before Pricketts Fort, a lot of nice shade. This little creek down here looks good. Just had a little bass try to eat it. Messed my tail up. There we go. There we go. There we go. He was after it. Did he bite it? You got him. Pull, 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 pull. Good job, man. Get him in here. You did trick him, didn't you? Wyatt's got a bass. Nice, dude. He ate that sassy shad. Look here. That's a nice one for this little creek. All right, Wyatt just caught this bass. What a good catch, man.
I finally tricked him. I finally tricked them and...
You did?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to release him.
Throw him. Whee! I'm not coming back.
There's the pro fisherman coming behind me with the only bass so far. We came down here because I knew it was pretty shady down in here. So hopefully Wyatt can get another bass or two out of here, and that'll be a good way to end this vacation. All right, we're headed back towards the Jeep. Gonna call it a day. Wyatt caught a nice little creek bass back there.